Hey team, here's my 2-minute conviction this morning, and it's one I get often a fair bit of commentary around and questions and sometimes confusion, but it's that to be a great leader, you have to first be a great follower. That is the prerequisite to great leadership, is that you learn exceptional followership first. So many people find that a counterintuitive idea. They think leaders, it's all about being upfront and in control and in charge, and yet followership is this attitude or position of submission to others. It's the idea that you can do whatever you can with what you have where you are. It's the appreciation that we all serve somebody, and it's giving our best to somebody else's vision. So to help encourage leadership in those around us, I first spend more of my time encouraging great followership, and there's lots of principles that can support and encourage followership, but just a couple of them are to, number one, accept responsibility whenever it's offered to you. If your leader is offering you to step up or to step out, to take a risk, to take on a new opportunity, to accept a portfolio of work that is unaccustomed or unfamiliar to you, accept responsibility. With that comes incredible learnings as you follow that leader in becoming a leader in your own right. Second thing I would say is take a lot of initiative. Initiative is you being the first mover, seeing a problem, owning it, being quick to offer your insights, opinions, being the first there, the last to leave, so that people around you can see that you care deeply about the objective. And so take initiative, don't wait to be asked. And thirdly, I would say be genuine, be authentic with your leaders. So when you do disagree on a topic, when you feel like there's an alternative view to be expressed, do it respectfully, maybe even do it in private. But don't be shy about being contrary in the moment, because as followers, you are practicing what it means to be respectfully disagreeable, and I think that's important in framing your own ideas. So my 2-minute conviction, really simply, is to be a great leader, you need to first be a great follower. So let's all commit to better followership this week in our own journey to becoming better leaders. Have a great time exploring that.